Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your mobile plan supports tethering and you have adequate signal. Once done, enable mobile data in settings and disable battery savers because they throttle tethering. If carrier updates appear, install them. They often fix hotspot issues. Now open the hotspot menu so it's ready. Set a strong password and SSID quickly, then return to the home screen. Your phone is prepared to broadcast connection to other devices. Next, you configure the hotspot itself. You choose a clear SSID and a WPA2 or WPA3 password with at least 8 characters so strangers can't join. You'll understand why security matters as soon as multiple devices show up. Then select frequency. 2. 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for faster speeds at close range. Make sure to set a device limit or a data limit if your plan is metered. Doing this prevents surprise overages and keeps performance stable. Finally, connect your laptop or tablet using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB tethering. Choose the method for your device and enter the hotspot password. If a device won't connect, restart the hotspot and toggle mobile data. This clears temporary network hiccups. Make sure your carrier permits tethering and that APN settings match carrier requirements. Incorrect APN can block traffic. If speeds are slow, move closer to the phone or switch frequencies. And verify no background apps are.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.